10 essential things you'll need to build a concrete caisson foundation on a hillside. 1. Geotechnical report. Why it's important. A geotechnical report assesses soil stability, load-bearing capacity, and potential hazards like landslides or erosion. Example: if the soil on the hillside is loose, the report will recommend deeper caissons or additional reinforcement measures. 2. Structural engineering plans. Why it's important. These detailed blueprints ensure the foundation design complies with safety and building codes, particularly for seismic activity. Example: an engineer might specify 30-foot deep caissons for a steep slope to anchor the structure securely into the bedrock. 3. Building permits. Why it's important. Los Angeles requires permits for hillside construction to ensure environmental and structural safety. Example: without a grading permit, work involving slope alteration could be stopped or fined. 4th, drilling equipment. Why it's important. Drilling rigs are needed to create the holes for caissons, especially on steep or uneven terrain. Example: a hydraulic drilling rig can penetrate rocky soil to the required depth. 5. Reinforcement materials. Why it's important. Steel rebar cages are used to reinforce the caissons, ensuring they can withstand loads and seismic forces. Example: a caisson might require a steel cage with a specific diameter and spacing based on engineering plans. 6th, concrete pump. Why it's important. Concrete pumps ensure precise placement of concrete into caisson shafts, particularly on hard-to-reach slopes. Example: a boom pump can deliver concrete 100 feet uphill to fill deep caissons. 7. Grading and excavation tools. Why it's important. These tools prepare the site by leveling or reshaping the hillside to support the foundation. Example: bulldozers and skid steers can remove loose soil and stabilize the slope. 8. Drainage system components. Why it's important. Proper drainage prevents water from pooling around the foundation, which could weaken the soil. Example: French drains or perforated pipes can be installed to redirect runoff away from the foundation. 9. Safety equipment. Why it's important. Hillside construction poses unique safety risks, such as falls or equipment instability. Example: workers should have fall protection harnesses and helmets and equipment like slope stabilizers for machinery. 10. Knowledge of local building codes. Why it's important. Understanding hillside construction regulations ensures compliance and avoids costly delays. Example: Los Angeles building codes may require retaining walls for slopes steeper than 2:1. Building a concrete caisson foundation on a hillside involves meticulous planning, specialized equipment, and expert knowledge. It starts with a geotechnical report, which provides critical data about soil stability and slope integrity. For example, if the report finds loose, sandy soil, the engineer may design deeper caissons and include lateral tie beams for added stability. With the MIC structural engineering plans in hand, you'll secure building permits to begin work. Permits ensure compliance with local safety and environmental regulations, which is crucial in areas like Los Angeles with frequent seismic activity. Once permits are secured, the site is prepared using grading and excavation tools, like bulldozers, to stabilize the slope. Drilling equipment is then used to create deep shafts for the caissons, which are reinforced with steel rebar cages. Before being filled with concrete, a concrete pump is essential to ensure precise placement of the concrete, especially when working on steep or inaccessible areas. To protect the foundation from water damage, drainage systems are installed to redirect runoff away from the structure. Throughout the process, workers must use safety equipment to mitigate risks associated with steep terrain, such as falls or equipment instability. Finally, a solid understanding of the local building codes is vital to navigate inspections and ensure the project meets all requirements. By combining these elements, you can successfully build a durable and compliant caisson foundation on a hillside, creating a strong base for your future home.